Hello guys, so today we're going to play Among Us, but this time it's a normal round and we're not gonna play hide and seek because it's too hard to play it and the monster is too fast, so I cannot survive that easily. So like and subscribe. Let's start. And by the way, if you guys wanna play Among Us on your computer or anything MacBook, I think it doesn't work on MacBook because I don't know what is a MacBook. To play Among Us, you gotta download BlueStack and that's it. And download Among Us. Ayun, please be responsible, respect others, and don't curse. Thank you and enjoy. How did that not get censored? I thought it was censored for a moment. Yeah. Let's see who's the imposter. I am crewmate. Let's see my role. My role is crewmate. There is an engineer here and let's swipe the card. I hope I'm gonna do this first try. Bruh. There we go. No! I'm staying away from them. I don't wanna die easy. Ooh, where? It's Mr. Fire. I don't know. You sure? I think, yeah. Yeah. Mr. Fire was with me. He was in the admin. Yeah. I hope they add voice chat in here, so I don't have to type and drag my cursor to the enter button. No! No! Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes! My God, bro. My heart dropped. Anyways, I'm gonna go with Mr. Fire. I'm gonna go with him. Mr. Fire. Let's start getting. Mr. Fire is safe. So, guys, it was not Mr. Fire. Yeah. Me and Mr. Fire were together. Purple shut it please. I was brown the entire road. No! No, it's not Mr. Fire! No! 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 Oh wait, it's a tie! It's a tie! Yes! Yes! Hey, yo, Mr. Fire, so let's just stay together. So, yeah, let's just stay together. So, oh my. Hello, Purple, I think you are sus. There we go. We are safe in here. Dance. Comment W, Mr. Fire. Comment W, Mr. Fire. What now? Now, Purple. It's not Mr. Fire. It's Purple. It's Purple. He's us. What do you mean? I'm about this stupid. I mean, not stupid. I mean, annoying Purple. No. Oh my. Comment El Capybara. Comment El Capybara. Yeah. Comment. And I know he's gonna kill me next. Report! No, 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 no. Go fix the light, everyone. Everyone, please fix the light. I will do a meeting. So we are safe. I think it's Purple because he is so sus. I think it's a self-report. It's Purple! It's Purple. Wait, is he Purple? Nah, you're imposter. Self-report. I'm gonna vote this guy. I don't care if he kills me, but I hope he doesn't win. Yes! Yes! Woo! Let's go, Comet El Capybara. Let's go! I don't care if he's an imposter, at least he was gone. Nah, I'm not going though, because I know there's a bug that someone will kill. Kill. No! No! But at least I got revenge. Yay! Wait. Yo, my name is Grape. As I am the fruit. Yeah. Thanks, Mr. Fire. Oh. If I get imposter, I'm not gonna defend Mr. Fire. But I'm gonna defend him when someone call him an imposter. Oh no, I am the crewmate. Man, I wanted to get engineer so I can escape from the imposter. Hello, Mr. Fire. Hello, I am just... wait, why am I... is that purple or blue? Yeah! Yeah! We vibing, right, Mr. Fire? If someone killed you, I'm gonna hide in your body. No. Oh, no. I'm gonna hide behind you. So no one... so if someone killed you, I'm gonna report and tell them. I don't care if they do not believe me. There, we're blend in. Yeah. Let's see who's the killer. We're blend in. Look at that mate. Oh, who's the fire did you get? Now, let's see. Alright, but it's sus, Chris. You're pretty sus, my man. Hello, police. Sus. Let's just stay here and AFK. Do I have to make a report? Did someone already got killed? I don't know. No. So. Let's see. Okay. She's trying to blend in. Oh my. We're blend in. We're so blend in right now. So I'm gonna find wait, I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here. See that? If they kill Mr. Fire, I am here. I'm just gonna report. Yeah, I'm gonna report. So Pink, Sappy, I just wait, did someone already got? Okay. Yo, I'm stuck at this. No, I'm stuck at this. No, I'm stuck at this. I'm very stuck at this. Let's go! Wait, Mr. Bar! Oh my god, oh my god, I was worried about you. So let's find a body somewhere. Yo! No, gotta report. Report! No, report! Please help, no help! Why can't I report? No! Why can't I report? Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Why can't I report? No! Wait, I gotta do the task so we can win. That's it. Yes, we gotta win. Okay, this is the annoying part. This is where I died in the last episode. The last part. No, guys, stop leaving, please. I'll beg you. No, stop, yeah, wait. No. I do not have time to report that. Yeah, I think there's a hacker or something. I don't know. But there's also a shapeshifter and also a imposter at the same time. I don't care about the body. At least we're safe because even though I die, I'm still able to do my tasks and win. This is for Mr. Fun. No, you can't. Oh my. I swear, I think he is hacking because we cannot report him. Okay. Okay, here. Yep. Yep. Let's go. Electrical divert power to shields. Where the heck is that? Oh, here. Okay. Please everyone do your tasks. Yes. But what now? Why do I look like someone familiar? Oh, Mr. Fire. Oh my god. Look at this evil guy. Look at him. Yeah, look at him. Look at this evil guy. Stinky fart. The stinky fart. Oh no! I should have reported him earlier, but I cannot. What is there a bad? He's kinda cheating right now. I'm gonna report now. Can I go out of space? Whee! Right. There's so many people dying right now. Run! Don't let him get you, Taco. Is that a taco? Fraud. Just run, fraud. Fraud. No. Oh my god. Bro turned into someone, you know, guys. I'm lagging again. No, why? Why? Oh my god, the imposter is actually stupid. Wait, what? Someone said. For real! Wait, I'm already joining, guys. Yeah, let's go. So, let's try to survive. What? You just server design object security. Strike the what? Moral admin. Oh my. Just find something. Let's find the wait. Never refresh. Here, moral admin. Yeah! Indian guy. Tingiling-iling. Yes, it's tingiling. Nah, I do not understand that. If you like the video, guys, please like and subscribe.